Gratitude means feeling thankful or appreciative for something, while ingratitude is the complete opposite, signifying a lack of appreciation or thankfulness for something done for you, essentially being ungrateful. Mr. Ash Mufari gives all of us reasons to have gratitude. Why? Because no other person on earth who is human would do what he is doing for us by designing Onpassive. He could have been selfish, and he and his family and close friends would be super wealthy by bypassing all of us as founders. Passive doesn't, and Mr. Mufare doesn't need us founders to be one of the largest and most profitable companies in the world. But he didn't choose that route. He chose us founders to be a part of Onpassive that will be the prototype of how new businesses will operate. It's too late for those businesses that went public and sold stock to the public. They are stuck and can't get out of that business model. Onpassive is privately owned by Mr. Ash Mufare and his family, and they are extremely happy to let founders share in the prosperity coming into Onpassive without any risk of losing any of their hard-earned money. Founders should show gratitude, not ingratitude. Key points. Gratitude, a positive emotion where you acknowledge and express thanks for something good in your life. Onpassive is something good. Ingratitude, a negative trait where you fail to acknowledge or express thanks for something received, often considered rude or disrespectful. This describes some founders. Example, when showing gratitude, saying thank you for helping me with that project, I really appreciate it. Ingratitude, receiving a gift and not acknowledging it with a thank you or showing any appreciation. Do you remember when he reopened the OE's back office and he said all he wanted is a thank you? Founders, did you do that? 7 kinds of gratitudes. Humility, the notion of receiving a special blessing as one chosen among many, all 8 billion people on this planet, and founders are about 1 million. Can we say we are the original chosen ones? Optimism. Something is better because of this blessing. We founders and all humanity are better off because of this gift called Onpassive. Indulgence. Someone went out of their way to create this blessing. Mr. Ash Mufare and his family and his brilliant technology team have done 98% of the work for all founders and soon to be more affiliates. Everyone can do 2%. Wow. This blessing exceeded expectations. Without any doubt, when Onpassive opens for business, it will exceed all expectations. Abundance. This blessing is more than is needed. Unimaginable abundance awaits all of us who are patient. Affirmation. This blessing reinforces my sense of identity and/or purpose. What is stronger than gratitude? Regret is stronger than gratitude. What is the enemy of gratitude? These 7 bad habits: self-pity, complaining, comparing, isolation, pace, entitlement attitude, lack of sleep, are enemies of gratitude. Self-pity prevents us from being grateful because all we see is the negative. We get so focused on the negative that we forget to look at what is good and beautiful in our lives. What cannot coexist with gratitude? The brain cannot respond to anxiety and gratitude at the same time. It is an either-or. Meditate on this information.